In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for coaching and consulting topics fast and easy. If you're looking to enhance your skills as a coach or consultant by pinpointing trending topics efficiently, then you've come to the right place. Google Trends is a powerful tool that can help you identify what your audience is searching for and ensure your content is timely and relevant. So let's dive into it. First, you're going to open your web browser and navigate to Google Trends. You can simply search for Google Trends on Google and click on the first link that appears. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Explore tab. This section is where all the activity happens. It's where you can view trends based on different geographic areas and time frames. The next step is entering broad coaching or consulting keywords into the search bar. Think about general terms related to your niche, such as business coaching, life coaching, executive coaching, and so on. These broad keywords serve as a gateway to discovering more specific trends and topics. After you've entered your chosen keyword, go ahead and click Enter. Now it's time to set some filters. For location, select your city, state, or region that best matches where your audience or potential clients are. The time range is crucial. Consider setting it to the last 12 months to identify consistent trends or to the last 30 or 90 days for newer, emerging trends. Choose a category that aligns with your field, like health or medical health, if relevant, to eliminate any unrelated results. As for the search type, selecting web search will usually suffice, but you might find value in choosing news search for more topical insights. Once your filters are set, analyze the interest over time graph that appears. You'll want to look for either steady or upward trends. These indicate a growing or sustained interest in a topic. Avoid flat or downward trends as they typically suggest declining interest. For instance, executive coaching might show a steady interest, signifying a potentially worthwhile focus for your efforts. Scrolling down, explore the Related Queries section. Here you'll find searches that show clear intent, such as business coaching for small business owners or how to find a marketing consultant. These related queries are golden opportunities for new content, whether that's a sales page, a blog post, or a lead magnet. Additionally, consider the difference between topics and search terms. A search term is the exact phrase people type, while a topic encompasses a broader category of related searches. For example, exploring life coaching as a topic could uncover related ideas like mindset coaching or personal development plans. Finally, you'll want to export your findings for reference. By clicking the Download CSV button, you can save your list of queries. Organize these into categories like landing pages, blog topics, webinar or workshop ideas, and social content themes. Doing this ensures you have a systematic approach to applying these insights in your coaching or consulting business. And there you have it. You're now ready to leverage Google Trends to keep your coaching and consulting topics fresh and relevant. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you find this walkthrough helpful in enhancing your practice.